So welcome to another Machine Monday. As you can see, we're on Jendamark's shop floor, and today I want to talk to you about training operators to perform pretty complicated tasks using virtual reality. And to do that, I want to demonstrate this on a station that requires a fairly complicated process for operators to learn. So firstly, we're going to go into virtual reality and try it out. So as you can see, we're now in the virtual reality simulation of that particular station. This is the simulation we've created to actually train the actual operators that will be working on that station that I showed earlier. So what I'm going to do over here is actually go through the whole process and teach myself how to use the station.
Wait for the workpiece carrier to dock.
We actually even simulate the automated processes. So as you can see, the pallet is moving into station and it automatically docks.
Pick up the shim from the right shim rack. Then place it in the shim checker to ensure it is the correct shim. Press the button to disengage the diff stretching mechanism. Place the dial gauge on the ring gear.
And as you can see over here, we give a score for every single operation. In addition to that, we give the cycle time for every single operation and the total at the end. So let me run the station. It's telling me which shim to pick. Now I can put the bearing cap in. And as you can see, with 2 or 3 attempts in virtual reality, I was able to train myself on how to perform the basic operations in the station. One of the other real advantages of virtual reality training is that we could get the operator that's going to work on the station to train and actually give us feedback on the station before we actually made the station. So significant advantages to virtual reality training. If you want to know more, contact us. Another Machine Monday.